Pro Max is rumored to be getting the biggest upgrades Apple has pulled off in a decade. And if even half of these reports are true, the Android world is about to take a massive hit. Because Apple isn't just improving the iPhone, they're rewriting the entire rulebook of performance, camera tech, and smartphone design. Let's start with the headline, the A20 Pro Chip, built on TSMC's brand new 2nm process. But here's the secret sauce. Apple is finally fixing their thermal issues. The hidden feature? A steel-cased battery in the Pro Max. This casing acts as a massive heat sink, keeping the A20 Pro Chip cool so it can run at max clock speed longer, without throttling. It's not flashy, but it's the foundation of sustained performance. Now here's where things get wild. TSMC is using gate-all-around transistor technology for the first time. That means 15% more raw power and 30% better energy efficiency. Forget charts. This translates to 2 extra hours of screen-on time every single day. And this efficiency isn't just for gaming. It's designed for on-device AI processing. Complex AI features running locally, faster than anything Google or Samsung can deliver remotely. This chip isn't just about speed, it's about the AI revolution. Now we arrive at the feature that defines this generation, a variable aperture on the main lens. This isn't a software trick. It's a physical diaphragm, opening and closing, giving you professional depth of field control. You can blur the background mechanically for stunning portraits. Combine that with Samsung's 3-layer stacked sensor, and low-light photos aren't just bright. They're dimensionally accurate. You'll see textures, colors, and details in the dark you've never seen before. This could be the end of the dedicated point-and-shoot camera. And for videographers, imagine locking exposure perfectly as you move from sunlight to shadow. That's cinematic control in your pocket. Leaks also suggest a semi-transparent back, highlighting the MagSafe ring. It's bold, it's modern, it's industrial. This isn't a polished stone anymore, it's a piece of high-tech machinery. Apple is taking risks again, and it shows. Put it all together, and the message is clear. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't playing catch-up. It's setting the benchmark for the next decade. But here's the question. Is the variable aperture worth the potential price hike? Or should Apple have focused on faster USB-C transfer speeds instead? I want to know what you think. Which one of these features would make you drop your current phone? Let me know in the comments. And don't miss the biggest leak about the iPhone Fold. Click right here. For full coverage, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive.